Hello, today we will guide you through how to change buying power in ThinkorSwim paper trading. In this walkthrough, we'll use the paper trading environment to adjust the simulated buying power by changing the account's cash setting. This is useful when you want to practice with a larger or smaller account size, test position sizing, or mirror a target balance you have in mind. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer and make sure you're in the paper trading workspace. Once the platform loads, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation tabs. Find the tab labeled Monitor. This is the hub for account information, working orders, positions, and balances, which is why we begin here when we want to change buying power. Click the Monitor tab to bring up your account details. On the right side of the account info section, you'll see a control labeled Adjust. This is where ThinkorSwim lets you modify certain paper money fields safely without affecting any real accounts. Click Adjust to open the adjustment tools. Next, look for the option called Set Account Cash. It appears as a drop-down choice in the adjustment menu. This setting directly influences your simulated buying power because buying power in paper trading is calculated from the cash available, along with any margin settings the simulation applies. Click the Set Account Cash drop-down to continue. From the available choices, select Sample Money. Choosing Sample Money opens the interface ThinkorSwim uses to handle mock cash changes for your paper account. This is the correct path for updating the paper balance in a controlled, reversible way. It keeps your testing environment flexible so you can match the cash level to the strategy you're exploring. After selecting Sample Money, confirm the change by clicking OK. Once you confirm, ThinkorSwim will apply the update and refresh your account data. Your displayed buying power should reflect the new simulated cash level promptly. If you have existing paper positions, remember that buying power may adjust based on those positions and the platform's margin simulation, so the final number may differ from cash alone. A few quick tips as you wrap up. These changes affect only the paper trading environment and are designed for practice. They do not impact any live or real money accounts. If you want to revert to previous amount or try a different balance, simply repeat the same steps and confirm again. It can also help to note your starting value before changes, so you can return to it later with confidence. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Monitor, used Adjust, selected Set Account Cash, chosen Sample Money, and confirmed with OK to change buying power in ThinkorSwim paper trading.